Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady B. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today we are going to be cooking turkey wings with sauce mixed together. So guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. For those of you that always watch my video, God bless you. So these are the ingredients that I need. I have tomato paste, I have chicken wings cut already. I have all my mixed spices, nutmeg, turmeric, paprika, cayenne pepper, thyme, garlic, ginger, salt, maggi cube, onion, and that is my vegetable oil, and that is my maggi cube. And I have extra onion that I will use to decorate it when I'm done with the cooking. So let's get started. So now I will be adding this pot. This is what I'll be removing it because I'm going to pour it inside this pot. So I'll be adding all my spices inside. So I'll whisk my plate with this hot water. That is why I put the water on the fire before. So I'll be adding the water and I stir together and cover it to cook for 25 minutes. So we'll leave it to cook for another 25 minutes. We'll come check on it later. So let's check on our meat. Okay, our meat is ready. So now I'll be removing it and adding my pan for frying. So this is my pan and this is my olive oil that I will be using to fry the meat. So I will be adding more olive oil. So I'll be adding more to it. So without wasting much time, I'm going to be adding my turkey to it. I'm just going to fry it 3 minutes each side. Don't want it too dried. Okay. So now I'll be removing the meat. This is the way I want it to be dry, not too dry. I will be adding the other ones too, so that they can also fry for some time. So I will also remove these ones. I will remove it from the gas cooker. I will add this my pot to the fire, and I will add some oil that I used to fry the meat. I will add my diced onion. So I don't want the onion to be too done. I will still add some vegetable oil. Okay. Then after that, I will be adding my tomatoes. So I added some pepper, some nutmeg, I will add it there and stir, and I will leave it here on a low heat to simmer. Salt, maggi, curry, thyme, everything is in there. So I will allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is my sauce, guys. It's ready. It has been cooking for 10 minutes on a low heat. So what I will now do, I will now remove it and put this one. This is my fried turkey. So I will now be pouring this sauce inside. Everything inside. So like this, I will not stir, but I will cover it to steam for another 5 minutes. So we have come to the end of this cooking. This is how the sauce look like. So now I'll be dishing it out. I will dish some out and enjoy it while it's hot. When you are not feeling hungry, you can just eat this and step it down with some juice. So guys, if you like it, share, comment. Thank you for coming. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.